Hi there! So today I'm gonna make Peppa Pig from the cartoon named Peppa Pig. It has been a very favorite cartoon of the children all over the world. So I'm gonna need a bit of white clay and a bit of pink clay. I'm gonna mix them, turn them into the Peppa's skin color, very light pink. So I'm gonna make the head shape. Boom! Done! Just that easy. So this piece is for the ears. Ta! Gosh, everything has been so easily to make since I've got this magic, you know. Well, if you like to learn, I could teach you. So this one, I'm going to turn it into 4 pieces for the legs of Peppa and the arms. So we basically got everything there, but the arms, they are not really completed. So I'm gonna add more fingers to it, to the arms. So basically Peppa has 3 fingers on each of her arms. So I'm gonna add it a bit more and make it look a bit more natural. So we're done with the light pink section. Now we're getting a little bit of dark pink to make what? Do you know? The dress, her dress. So just that easy. Yep. So well, in my opinion, Peppa is kind of very easy to make. You can start with any kind of clay that you want to. And if you have a lot of free time, you can make a whole family. You can make some story from them, or you can make it as a gift to your brothers or sisters. They will love it. So I am making the shoes for Peppa. She's wearing all types of shoes, but I like to make some very student shoes. Gosh. Okay, so I've done that. And we're needing a bit of pink clay and white clay to make all those other things, such as the nose, the little dots on the cheeks, and the eyes. As you can see, I'm putting little red on her cheeks, so it's gonna be more alive. Well, one little notice about the clay I'm using. That's Hearty clay from Padico. So yeah, basically this type of clay, they dry very quickly. So sometimes they don't stick together. Well, we'll find somehow to put it on later. Okay, so now I'm putting the eyes on. I just need to make sure that they're gonna be symmetrical. Okay, yeah, they're gonna be, well, in the same positions on each side, so they won't look silly then. Okay, now I'm putting it up and I added some water on the tip of my finger and it works. So I just want to make the nose a bit similar, like as it is in the cartoon. So what I'm doing is I'm making the holes so I can glue the ears later and putting her smile on. Do you think she's cute? Well, for me she's very cute already. So I'm gonna need a bit of black clay for her eyes. I made 2 eyeballs and I'm gonna put them on 1 and 2, and basically our Peppa is kind of like complete. Okay, so I am going to let her rest for a day, 24 hours. Ta-da, here we go. So after 24 hours, look at her. We have our Peppa here. Every part of her is completely dry. So we have the tools to glue everything on in its position. So we start with the biggest parts. In every action, I always put a very little bit amount of glue. So I want it to be just enough. So I don't want it to be too much, so you can easily see it well. Yeah, so I think I've done everything quite good. So I'm gonna put her on. There we go. So we have Peppa here. Beautiful, cute little thing. Is so cute to you? Oh, I think so. Yeah. So let's get her down. Well, my family just got a new member, Peppa. This is Fanpy. Say hi to Peppa. Fanpy is the Pokemon I just made in the last video. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. There's a like button and a subscribe button. If you have any questions for me or any request, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.